Okay. Just try this at your end, please. Now let me show you some more analysis. Like for example, you have a date, okay, and date wise amount, okay, like Jan, Feb, March, you can see this amount, okay. Now I want to perform some analysis into this, okay. What analysis? Here I just want to show that what is the contribution in each and every month, what is, uh, the variance from the previous month and all. So do the right click on this pivot table. So show the values as, and you can see the percentage of grand total, right? If you clicked on this, so it converted into the percentage of grand total. So what is the mean of that? Let me show you. Another field I'm just dragging, and this I will just convert, okay? I'm just making percentage of grand total, okay? I'm just gonna convert this is into the general format, comma. Now right click and percentage of grand total. So it says, if you see in the Jan of the overall, we have achieved that 8.33% of the sales, right? Like here, if you see this individual sales is divided by this total sales, you are getting that if I convert into percentage, yes or no?
Yes.
This one, right? So similarly, if I ask you that, okay, tell me which market or which branch is the highest contribution in the sales. So if instead of month, if I use this branch, so see which branch is the highest contribution in the sales. This one. Can you see this one? Right? So you can also achieve this one, that highest contribution, if you just want to get it achieve or whatever. Okay, and you can also perform the other things also. This is percentage of grand total, like this I have shown this to you. You can also do the other things, like you want to show the percentage or the difference from the previous one, percentage difference from the previous one, running total. Okay, you want to go for the running total, like Jan sales, then the in the Feb Jan plus Feb, in the March Jan Feb March, in the April Jan Feb March and April, like this. So in that case also you can just go for the running total. Okay, so this is something you can also get it from here, right? And in the percentage of, you can just calculate the percentage on the specific items also. Like for example, I want to take the base figure of the December, and from the December I want to calculate the percentage. So if I select this one, so all my figures will get divided by the December figures, and I will be able to see that what is the contribution. Okay, so individual fields also I can select it over here from the previous one, from the next one, right? Like here, for example, if I select this pivot, this whole pivot table, okay, and now in this, if I just want to know, see, if I'm just converting this percentage of, okay, and now I'm just converting the month, and I say from the next month or from the previous month, you can just go, okay, previous I selected, and okay, see, if you see, you are getting this one. So before the January, do we have any month? January is my first month, na? So in the January, you can see the 100%. But if you compare in the January and Feb, so in the January, you can see the 100%. But if you compare in the January and February, you can see the 150.29% is the more sales has been done in the Feb from the Jan. If you see the difference, this minus this one, and if you just divide this figure by this one, not this one, this figure by this one, 150.29% is the more sales has been done from Jan to Feb. Then now just tell me, from Jan to Feb, your Jan to March, your sales is increase or sales is decrease? Tell me.
Decreased.
Decrease. So you can see it is telling you that from the previous month, it means from in comparison to the Feb, your sales has been decreased by the 62.18%.
Sir, how you calculated 150%? Means which option you selected?
Okay, so here do the right click, this one percentage of, and here I just selected the base item as a previous one.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
So,
Hmm. So this kind of all these kind of analysis you can also perform. You can show that which is the highest market contribution, which is the highest sales contribution, right? From that which is the highest market contribution, which is the highest sales contribution, right? From if I say, okay, from which account type we are getting the highest sales. Okay, so here if I just take, instead of branch, if I just take this account type, so you can see 48.83, I'm just generating the sales by the CD account type. So it means CD has captured the highest market. Okay, then after that saving account captured the highest market, then checking, and we have a less for the IRA. So this kind of analysis also you can just perform by using the pivot table. Okay, so in the pivot table you can also perform the analysis in pivot table. Okay, this one. Analysis in pivot. Sorry, is this clear, everyone? Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, and you can also perform the conditional formatting in that one. Okay, it goes up or it goes down like this. Okay, so you can also, conditional formatting we have already seen in more details yesterday, so those conditional formatting you can implement it over here. Okay, is this clear, everyone?
yeah.
Okay, great. Great. Okay, so I'm sharing this file with the team, so you will just get it from your management or your manager or from your client. So you must be aware from the requirement, although the pivot table is the drag and drop option, but you also must be aware that how you are going to create the perfect report. Okay, because client or the manager will not explain you more, because you have that capability, right? You are aware from the Excel functionality, so you just need to keep more focus that how your report will be the more into the analysis format, or will be more into the user friendly to get the better insights of the business. So you have to look into that, where you have to give the slicer to the user, where you have to drag which field, right, where you have to show this analysis, right? So the more insights you are delivering from your report, that will be the more beneficial for the business. Okay, so in all these things you just need to keep focus on this one. Okay, so we have just covered all these stuff for the today, and in the next session we will just cover the remaining things. Okay, and if you will have any doubt, so we will look into that as well. And this file I will share with the team, so you will just get this solution file after this session, And refer the recording session. I would recommend you, when you are doing the practice, also open the side by side the recording session related to that one. So if you're doing the practice, if you is stuck somewhere, or if you just need the more clarity, please refer the recording session as well. Okay. And also, if you just get the time, so do not forget to join, or don't miss to join the doubt session. Please join the doubt session which team is conducting to you, to they are putting the efforts. So just join the doubt session as well, so you can clear your doubt as well. Okay.